Hey, what's up, guys? This is Arctic Panther. Today I'm going to be showing you some add-ons I made to my Airsoft mask. It's for the camera, and I was just kind of messing around with some whatever, cardboard, duct tape, and it's a pretty good setup because I was kind of sick of holding the camera with my grip, and then you guys would see my, I don't know, the cover or the wood or something instead of me shooting at a guy. So I'm gonna just be testing out some stuff. This is it right here. Hopefully this works for all times. I'm gonna be not testing, I'll be showing you actually what it's gonna probably look like. So there we go. That'll be pretty much what it'll be. Otherwise, yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe. Otherwise, just watch my videos. I don't know, I have a bunch of stuff, so